Hello and welcome back to the Energy Connect studio at India Energy Week 2026 in Goa, where we are honored to welcome Minister Tim Hodgson, the Minister of Energy and Natural Resources in Canada. Minister Hodgson, it's such a pleasure and an honor for us to welcome you to the Energy Connect studio.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Canada is increasingly positioning itself as a reliable supplier of responsibly produced energy. And could you explain the strategy behind that positioning?
Our government believes Canada is a clean and conventional energy superpower. We need to focus on exploiting that to the best of our abilities. The world is looking for what we have. Here in India, you're looking to grow your LNG in your energy mix from 6% to 15%. Minister Puri said today that 6%, it's kind of stuck at 6%. Well, we're bringing on new LNG that's the lowest carbon intensity LNG in the world. We're bringing it on in significant supply. We can be a solution for India. We heard today about LPG. We heard that India has 340 million households using LPG, and you're looking for more. We're bringing on our first export facilities for LPG on our west coast. We can be a solution and a provider of clean LPG for India. We heard today about critical minerals. We heard that to deliver on the energy transition, India looks to do and lead the world in its energy transition. You're going to need critical minerals. Canada has those critical minerals. India wants to add 100 gigawatts of nuclear power by 2047. To do that, you're going to need uranium. Canada's one of the most reliable and best suppliers of uranium in the world. And we heard that India will be the biggest source of demand for oil going forward. We are a growing supplier of oil. We can be a solution for India. There's a perfect fit between one of the world's biggest consumers of energy and one of the world's biggest suppliers of energy. And we're excited to be here to talk about that.
And just going a little deeper into that point, talking about the global partnerships that you're strengthening, how do you see that contributing to energy security?
So we've all seen over the last several weeks and months, energy supply chains are increasingly being used for economic coercion. We've seen that tariffs are being used for leverage. Canada is a country that believes in multilateralism. We believe in free trade. I can tell you and tell everyone in India, we are not a country that is going to use our energy for coercion or leverage. We will be a reliable supplier to India.
And, you're also advancing major nation-building energy and infrastructure projects, at scale. So what is your message to Indian and other international investors about long-term opportunities that you offer?
With respect to offtake agreements, we have all of the things you're looking for. With respect to investing in our sector, we have through what we've created something called the Major Projects Office. So when investors want to come to Canada, we will give them predictable timelines, certainty around regulation, which is really important to ensuring your investments are profitable. We have broad support in our country for exporting our energy. We have a geographic advantage. We are closer to Asia than energy shipped out of the U.S. Gulf Coast. We have some of the cleanest products in the world, the lowest carbon intensity LNG in the world. We have done more to decarbonize our barrels of oil than any other country in the world, and we're offering that at the same price as other people. And we have a great skilled workforce.
And I think one of the areas where you're also advancing a lot is in terms of cross-sector collaboration. Now, talking about technology and the Conference of Energy, Technology and Finance, how do you see that accelerating, scalable and real-world impact?
Yeah. So particularly when you're looking to do things at scale, you need certainty. You need certainty of permitting. You need certainty of timelines. We're giving that through our Major Projects Office. When you provide that certainty, global capital will flow to the opportunity. And when you put technology to work at scale, we can change the economics of renewables. We can create baseload renewables. That changes the game. That helps us all get to net zero, which is what India wants. It's what Canada wants. It's what the world needs.
I'm talking a bit about your energy sector back home. AI and data centers, they're one of the main contributors of moving the industry forward, but they are also huge consumers of energy. And how do you see Canada meeting that energy demand?
The Canadian energy grid is one of the lowest carbon grids in the world. More than 80% of our energy is produced carbon free. We want to take advantage of the growth in AI and do it in a way which keeps that very attractive carbon footprint. We will do that through the use of nuclear. So we're building the first 4 commercial SMRs in the world today that will provide baseload zero carbon energy that will help power data centers. We will continue to find ways to produce the lowest carbon intensity natural gas using pre and post combustion scrubbing technology and using CCUS to sequester carbon. So we're focused on delivering the cleanest AI power that we can.
And talk to us, Minister Hodgson, a little bit about the objectives behind signing a landmark agreement with Alberta.
Yes, so it's really important for Canada that we all work together. We, in signing the agreement with Alberta, have reached an agreement with our most important energy producing province on how we will price carbon going forward, how we will do things like control methane emissions. We're some of the leaders in the world in controlling methane emissions. We have agreement on using CCUS. So we'll be working on the largest CCUS project in the world. It's called the Pathways project. That's going to decarbonize our barrels and create technology that we hope to export to the world.
Mr. Hodgson, we are deeply honored to have you in the studio. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. That was Minister Tim Hodgson from Canada. You can get more ministerial interviews and comprehensive coverage of the energy industry at energyconnect.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll be back with more studio interviews from India Energy Week in Goa. Stay tuned.